Hi, this is Mrs. Watkins from your business law class. I wanted to give everybody a quick tour of Cengage's MindTap and how to get started so that you can get right in and get going this week. So first, to get into Cengage, you go to Content, always go through the course, and then go to Week 1, and then go down to Worksheet 01.1. This is the first assignment that's due this week. So all of these assignments that say external learning tool and have a due date, those are graded assignments that are in Cengage MindTap. So click on the link and it will take you to the external learning environment for Cengage. One of the things you want to be sure to do is make sure that your pop-ups aren't blocked. So this is the first assignment, worksheet 01.1. You have unlimited attempts for all of the assignments in MindTap, and each assignment is worth 10 points. And once you begin, you just say start assignment now, and you'll see how these assignments are laid out. So this is a worksheet. It's going to discuss the sources of contemporary law, and you're going to answer these questions. If you're logged in, it will go directly to your MindTap assignments. If you haven't purchased the textbook and the code, you can register for a 2-week free trial, and that began when the course began. So really, everyone should be able to get in this week and do the assignment. So make sure you take advantage of that 2-week free period until you can buy the code. So once you're in here, this is where you'll just start to answer the questions. So our American legal system came from English law. That's where the United States got its legal system from. And so you'll start to answer these questions. Now down in the corner, once you start to answer some of these questions, you can hit a button down in the corner, if you see over here, that says check my work. And so if you click check my work, it will tell you the assignments that you got correct or incorrect. And so you can see that right now, this number 1 is correct. The primary origin of the American legal system is English law. And you can see that, I haven't answered any of these yet. So that check my work will help you. It's also up here in the corner, if you see check my work. Over here on this toolbar, if you click on the full book, this allows you to have the textbook open while you're completing your work. So this is where you can move around in the textbook while you are working on your assignments. So this is another area that's very helpful to people. You can have the first chapter open while you are working in the assignments. So that's just to kind of give you an idea of what you can do and have the book open if you prefer to, and go to the chapter. So unlimited attempts on these assignments that are in MindTap. Make sure you take advantage of the free 2-week trial. Use the check your work, and then when you're ready to submit it, the other thing is each assignment's worth 10 points. No matter how many questions there are, they're always worth 10 points, and your grades should also always go over into D2L. So once you're ready and you've got 100%, you can say submit assignment for grading. You can also save it, and it should save it, and you should be able to come back if you can't answer them all in one sitting. But for the most part, these are pretty quick assignments. And then when you submit it for grading, your grade should populate back into D2L. So you should be able to go into grades and click grades, and the grade for worksheet 01.1 should show in D2L. If you have not completed assignments in the week in which they were due, then I will tell you, you will get a 0 for those, and they will no longer be available. So it's really important that in each week you complete those activities. So for this week, there's the worksheet 01.1, there's a case problem analysis, and then in the rest of week 1 for chapter 2, you have a worksheet, a video, an apply brief hypotheticals, and a case problem. So those are all the assignments that are due by Monday, January 21st at 9 a.m. And if you do not complete them by Monday, January 21st at 9 a.m., they will populate zeros in the grade book. If you go back into D2L and you don't see your grades for any of those assignments, please email me right away so that we can fix those problems. If you have any questions regarding Cengage MindTap, please let me know. Thank you.